Hi, this is Nicole. I'm the darling love John from Garage July, and today I'm gonna review a treadmill from the Run. We already had this for a few days. I'm playing with this, seeing what I like, what time of the day can I do it, because I'm a mother of two and I work a full time, so it's been like kind of hard because I just started my healthy journey, and I always wanted to do something that I can do it quick at home, because like I said, sometimes I can do it really early in the morning and sometimes really late at night. So this is actually really nice. I've been watching videos about treadmills, how to do stuff, and I finally got one. And the plus is that it has that incline that is actually 15%. And also a plus is the speakers that got on. And I want you guys to hear the sound of the speakers. So I'm gonna show you one of my father-in-law videos so you can actually hear how good it is.
I just wake up in the morning and I yell a lot, even though it's way too early. It's fun though. Wake up, wake up, wake up!
Hello, Uncle John. Uncle John is funny.
So if anything, I don't have to have my earphones, so it completely, shut me down, and it actually can listen if I need, if I'm hearing music or something, I can still hear my kids. So I really like that. Like I said, playing with this for a little bit. I've been liking the features of it. Like we have over here, we have all the inclines. We have 3, 5, 7, 9, which is actually really nice. We also have the speed that goes from 2 to 4, like the walking, jogging. We have the 6 to 8 that if you actually want to run, which is really, really nice. We also have it over here, so if you like to touch it over here, it's so easy to do this with incline and the speed. We also have many programs. I think we have like 16 programs. We also have different modes of depending on what you want to achieve. So it's actually really, really nice. We also have here, so if you want to see how far speed is going and everything. We also have the incline in here and the speed over here to see if you want to more down, up, down, depending on what kind of exercise you're trying to do. So I actually really, really like this. I like it has the time, the distance, how many calories, obviously that's the main point, how many calories I'm burning throughout the day. So to be honest, I really, really like this, in my opinion, because like I said, I've been working with this. It's a really quiet, so you don't hear the motor boom, 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 so it's actually really nice, like I said. Also, it comes with an app, the Swift, so it also make it a little more fun because it's your mini little you that makes you oh, you're just walking or you're running, and you also can go with other people, practice on. Also, it has the manual, which I actually really, really like. Like I said, I'm a beginner in this whole, lose weight, healthy life journey. So what I actually really like is that on the menu, it will tell you ways to run, the right way to run, I guess. Even exercising that I didn't even know you needed to do, warm up. I didn't know you needed to do none of that, and it also gives you challenges. Right now, I'm about to do the challenge for the weight loss from your belly. So it has targeted fat loss, whole thing, and it has advances how to do it, which to me is a really healthy. Like I said, I might watch videos because sometimes I need something to read, something to my brain to know what I need, what I need to do. Also give you pictures, and that's even better for me as a beginner and even somebody else who just want to start, to start doing something, to start their healthy life, which to me is very amazing. Also, I like that this is very compact. Over here you might see it like this, but it's very easy to wrap it up, put it up, put it to the side, and that's it. To me, that's very easy. And if you want to take it off, you put it down, and it come off really nice too. All the way down. So I think it is really worth everything.